Ubombo, my community, these mountains are so beautiful. So I think that is why guests can come here in numbers, because they like this area. And even to me, it's so beautiful. Proud, very proud. I like it. I'm not gonna move here. I'm here until I die.
The hotel, when it was built, it was a stopover point for all the people traveling from Durban to Swaziland, Mozambique, and Kruger. One thing we are proud of at Coast Mountain Inn is our staff. Most of the staff are local. They are based here. So they grew up here. They know the land. They know the history. They know the culture. In 2004, the whole model changed. It was refurbished into 50 rooms. In that, we also added our safaris in addition, which gave the guest an opportunity to explore the nature and the wildlife around the area. We got 2 reserves that we commonly use. We got the Hluhluwe Reserve, and then we got the Mkhuzi Game Reserve. And guests enjoy both sides. We had one of our staff, Justice Mnyeni, who used to work as a chef at Coast Mountain Inn. We approached him and asked him if it's possible if we can bring international and local guests to his homestay.
I work with GMI, Coast Mountain Inn. So they bring people here to my family or to my community. Then what we do here, we have different activities. So we do cultural tours where we teach guests about the Zulu lifestyle, how Zulu people live, how we get married. Then on top of that, we also take people to the mountain. We do a mountain walk where we walk with them straight to the mountain, and then we show them the community. Tourism industry is something that we want to see developing because it can help the community, many people, because we get job opportunities from the tourism industry. If I get one tourist, has an impact to the whole community, because that person will help the whole community, not just one family.